Yan. Charlie, you're a stunner and eloquent for your age. That is why everyone is rooting for you to join pageants. Ang tanong, are you interested or may balak ka ba na lumaban sa MUPH?
Pang beauty queen training training na.
Yung parang na-pressure ako din eh. Well, of course, my doors aren't closed naman. Fun fact, pageantry was actually my first love. Oh, I've been watching Miss Universe Philippines when I was little, and it's always been something I was looking forward to when growing up. Artista was an unexpected blessing, but I believe this is a stepping stone for me if ever the door does open or the time comes that I can try to join. So whatever happens, and I will just trust God if it opens. And I thank you.
Sa lahat ng naka-screen record nun, i-play nyo ulit yun kapag finally naging Miss Universe Philippines na. Diba? Ayun o, parang ready rin si Esnir. Parang si Esnir.
May binibigay din. Ayan. And Miss Pinoy Big Brother 2025 is Charlie!
Parang si Esnir yung
reaction
yun. Ganun pala yun. Okay, ito naman Esnir, matanong kasi nagtanong si Creamery.
Yes po, open po ako sa MUPH.
Sorry. Ito yung tanong para sa'yo. You're such a creative storyteller and your humor always lands. Lumalanding daw. If ever given a chance, would you consider writing or producing a Pamilya de Guzman sitcom?
Siguro ba yung mga sasagot ko dyan is, if you know, you know.
Of course. So actually, we are in the process right now. Siyempre, hindi na po siya mag-end. Kumbaga sa PBG. Kasi pwede naman natin ipasok lahat ng housemates. So, abang-abang lang kayo. Nag-promote, yes.
The big reveal in the big dome. Pamilya de Guzman.
Na-pressure na ako.